Falcon Global revolutionizes the way people connect with their homes, making it safer, smarter, and more efficient. You can now arm or disarm your alarm system from wherever you are. The Falcon Global is a smart home security solution that lets you integrate your security system with a couple of connected devices, all of which are controlled by a single mobile app called My Rhino. So how does it all work? The Falcon Global is available through your trusted security service provider. Just ask for it. Upgrading your security system to the Smart Falcon Global is easy. They connect the transmitter to the alarm panel and to your gate if you prefer. The technician then downloads and sets up your mobile app, which is available from Google Play or the App Store. Once the app is set up, you will receive notifications whenever your alarm is armed or disarmed. A notification will also be sent if there is an intrusion into your home. Your security communication solution, keeping you and your property safe.